Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Capello, your school librarian, and I am so happy to see you today. I wanted to show you what I look like with my mask on, because when you see me at school, I'll be wearing a mask, and so will you. But since I'm at home, I'm going to take my mask off, and hopefully you'll be able to hear me better for our stories. So today I wanted to read two stories to you. And these stories are all about going back to school. Why do you think I would want to read you stories about going back to school? That's right, because this is our first week back at school. I hope you guys are so excited to be here. I know I am. And I can't wait till I can see you in person sometime. So let's see what our two stories are today. The first one is called Lena's Shoes Are Nervous. Do you know what the word nervous means? Yeah, it means you're kind of worried or maybe a little bit scared. So this is all about a girl named Lena on her first day of school. Let's see what she's so nervous about. Lena's Shoes Are Nervous by Keith Calabrese and Juana Medina. Lena's shoes are nervous. Today is a big day. Today, Lena starts kindergarten. Lena is very excited. Were you excited to come to school today? I was. She has picked out all of her favorite clothes to wear, her blue dress, her pink striped socks, and her headband with the bright green flower. Do you pick out your clothes before school? Lena's shoes are nervous. She looks for her dad. Lena doesn't know. Oh dear, her dad says. What should we do? Lena doesn't know. She certainly doesn't want to miss kindergarten, but she can't go without her favorite shoes. This is a serious problem. Should we try talking to them? Her dad suggests. Lena frowns. We can't do that. Why not? Because they're shoes, Lena says. Oh, Lena's dad thinks for a moment. Lena thinks too. Silly dad, you can't talk to shoes. What about your other clothes? Her dad asks. How are your socks feeling? Lena shrugs. The same as the shoes, as usual. How about your dress? Lena's dad asks. My dress is very outgoing. My dress can't wait for kindergarten. Well, Lena, maybe your dress can talk to your shoes. So her dress is excited, but her shoes are nervous. Lena makes a face. Oh, they don't get along. It's kind of a touchy subject. Lena and her dad scratch their heads and look around her room. Then Lena remembers. I wonder what she remembered. Her headband! Her headband with the bright green flower. Of course, all of her clothes like her headband. My headband is friends with everybody, Lena says. She could talk to my shoes. Excellent idea, Lena's dad says. Lena places her headband beside her shoes. She gives her dad a look. I'll just go wait in the kitchen, he says. The shoes are shy and a little embarrassed. Lena encourages them to use their words. The shoes say that school is big and loud and different, and they'd really rather not go. The headband is a good listener and understands. Then the headband reminds the shoes of other times they were all scared but decided to be brave together. and how things had pretty much worked out okay, even better than okay sometimes, because often the best things happen when we're nervous. Lena is optimistic. That means she's feeling better. But the shoes aren't quite convinced yet, and it's almost time to leave. It seems Lena will have to go to kindergarten without her favorite shoes. Oh, well, she says loudly so the shoes will hear. Looks like I'll have to wear my slippers. Slippers? She wouldn't. She couldn't. Her shoes talk urgently, and they decide. Do you think her shoes are going to change their mind? To be brave! Lena is very proud of them. They changed their mind. They're ready for school. Lena and her dad walked to school for the first day of kindergarten. Did any of you guys walk to school today? I drove my car because I live kind of far away. Lena's shoes get a little nervous again when they step onto the playground, and they make her walk slower than usual. Got all those kids having fun on the playground. I bet you guys will have fun on the playground too. But not for long. Now her shoes can become friends with all these other shoes. The end. Wow, what did you guys think of this story? Did you like it? I thought it was really good how her shoes were scared at the beginning, but then they decided to be brave, and it was really a good decision because they actually really liked school and made some friends. All right, the next story is about maybe a familiar character. Maybe you've met this character before, and his name is Pigeon. Raise your hand if you know who Pigeon is. Pigeon has a lot of other books like Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late. Have you read any of those? Yeah, I love the Pigeon books, and I'm so happy to read this to you today. It's called The Pigeon Has to Go to School. He says, come on. Does that look like a happy face? No. Words and pictures by Mo Willems. The pigeon has to go to school. Wait, don't read that title. He does not want to go. Too late, brats. Why do I have to go to school? I already know everything. Go on, ask me a question, any question. Do you think he knows everything? I don't think so. Well, I know almost everything. Almost everything. Wonder what he doesn't know yet. Does school start in the morning? Because you know what I'm like in the mornings. It is not pretty. Do you guys like to wake up in the mornings for school? Sometimes I'd rather stay in bed. I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty not going to school baby wavy pigeon. Look at there's baby pigeon. So cute. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like it? What if I really, really, really don't like it? What if... Oh my gosh, she's so worried. What if the teacher doesn't like pigeons? That would be terrible. And the stuff. What about all the stuff? There is so much stuff to learn. What if I learn too much? My head might pop right off. Pop. That silly pigeon, his head won't pop off. That's why you have a brain in there to learn all that stuff. I'm scared. So now we know he's actually scared of going to school. What will happen at school? My goodness. He's so worried, poor pigeon. What if there is math? Why does the alphabet have so many letters? What will other birds think of me? Will finger paint stick to my feathers? Reading can be hard with one big eye. What about lunch? What's up with those heavy backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. The unknown stresses me out, dude. Oh my gosh. So many worries. Oh my goodness, I can't turn the page. There should be a place to practice those things, with experts to help you, and books, and classrooms, and other birds to work and play with, maybe a playground. Does that sound like someplace you know? It has experts, other kids, classrooms, toys, books. What does that sound like? You're right. Oh, that is school. Well, how am I supposed to get there anyway? So now he realized he should go to school, but now he's worried about how he's going to get there. Wazza, what? He sees a bus. We know Pigeon loves the bus. Step aside, coming through. The pigeon has to go to school. The end. Look at all the friends he can make at school. You know, you guys are going to make friends at school too. All right, those are our stories for today. I hope that you liked them. Which one was your favorite? Did you like The Pigeon Has to Go to School? Or Lena's Shoes Are Nervous? Whoops. There it is. Yeah, they were both really good. This one was really funny, and this one was a really good story. So I hope that you enjoyed them. And next time we'll be reading more stories about back to school. So I'll see you then. Bye.